Well, the Ritters are my family.
You don't know what a real family is.
Oh, and you do.
Hey, do you think the Ritters are going to be there for you when things go south? I've seen who comes to collect the body bags, Chris. It's always your own flesh and blood. No one else. So, when the chips are down and you're out of luck, you know who you're going to call? Me. Because our family, as broken as it is, it's the only real family you got.
Stay here anymore, 'cause you give everything that you could give. This is the only and I am grateful, but I've grown.
Jace is gone.
Was it him?
Yeah. And you know, when I got upset about my dad, I just want you to know that it doesn't have anything to do with us. And it's not that you're not good enough or that we're not good enough.
Chris, come here. I will never abandon you. You hear me?